Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana online classes. We are going to discuss some basic questions on matrices and determinants from the subtopic cofactors and minors. Alright, let's start. Find the minors of -1 and 3 in the given matrix. Okay, so let us first find the cofactor of -1. Let us directly find the minor only of -1, right? So, minor of -1 would be the determinant where for -1 you leave its row and its column, look at the remaining terms and you write them down. Okay, so the determinant 0, 5, -3 and 3, right? This determinant is the minor of -1. What does this come to? 0 into 3 minus of -3 into 5. Okay, so always there is a minus here. So this simplifies to 0 plus 15. So 15 is the minor of -1. Okay, now minor of 3. 3. Similarly, again determinant for 3 you leave the third row and third column. So whatever is remaining 2 -1 0 -2, right? So what is the value of this determinant? This is 2 times -2 minus 0 into -1, right? This is 0, we can ignore this. This is -4. Okay, so this is how we calculate the minor of any matrix or determinant. All right, okay, let's continue. Find the cofactors of 2 and -5 in the given matrix. All right, so in the previous question we were asked about minors. Now cofactors. Now to calculate cofactors, let us first calculate minor and then apply the formula for cofactor. Okay, so minor of, let us first find minor of 2. Okay, so would be this determinant 2 is in second row second column, so leave second row and second column. -1, 5, -4 and 3. This is equal to -1 into 3 minus -4 into 5, right? That is -3 plus 20, that is 17, right? But this is minor of 2. Now cofactor, right? So we know that. Let us write the formula for cofactor, right? Cofactor of any element aij is equal to, what is that? -1 raised to I plus j into minor of ij. Okay, so minor of that element aij. So for the sake of clarity, let us write it as minor of aij. Okay, which we can also write as mij, but for your clarity. All right, so here cofactor of 2, this would be equal to -1 raised to, now 2 is in the second row second column, right? So 2, which is equal to a22, right? Second row second column. So this would be -1 raised to I plus j. So 2 plus 2 into, what is its minor? We have already calculated its minor. This is 17, right? So -1 raised to 2 plus 2, -1 raised to 4 is 1, which means 1 times 17. So 17 itself is the cofactor. All right. Over time, you will be so comfortable in calculating all this that none of this would be required. You will directly be able to look at the determinant or matrix, directly be able to mention this value. Okay, over time. And this is the beginning, so let us go step by step. All right, so that is for 2. Now let us look for -5. minor of minus 5 would be the determinant. You see, minus 5 is in the third row, second column, right? So this determinant minus 1, 5, 1 and minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 5, right? So that is 2 minus 5, which is minus 3. So minor is minus 3 and cofactor of 5, or sorry, minus 5. Minus 5. Now minus 5 happens to be which element? It is A32, right? Third row, second column. So which is A32 would be, this cofactor would be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, so I plus j into minor of the element minus 5, right? So this is minus 1 raised to 5 is minus itself, right? Minus of, minor of element minus 5 is, we've already calculated this, minus 3. So minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So cofactor of minus 5 is plus 3. Alright? Now over time with practice, I suggest how you remember this is that you should just remember plus minus plus. Right? So plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. If you remember it that way, then just need to remember the sign. The calculation of minor is anyways obvious for you, right? Okay. So A is this given matrix, then cofactor of A32 in A plus A transpose. So let us first figure out what is A plus A transpose. Right? So A is this matrix ACB, BAC, CBA. Alright? Okay. Which means A transpose would be ABC, CAB, BCA. Right? I have written the columns as rows. Okay. So A and A transpose. Therefore, A plus A transpose would be what? Add everything element by element corresponding. Okay. So A plus A, 2A. Then C plus B. Then B plus C. Right? B plus C. Alright? A plus A. So 2A. Then C plus B. C plus B, B plus C, and A plus A, 2A. So that is the matrix A plus A transpose. We need to look at the cofactor of A32, right? So let us first find minor of A32. So here A32 is which element? A32 is B plus C, right? B plus C, right? And minor of A32 would be what? The determinant. You leave third row, second column. So 2A, C plus B, B plus C and B plus C, right? So that is 2A, C plus B, B plus C and B plus C, right? Alright, so that would be 2A into B plus C minus, this is B plus C, so B plus C the whole square, right? But instead of expanding it, let us leave it at this point, because you see one of the options looks very similar. So instead of expanding it, let us leave it here. This is minor, right? Therefore, cofactor of A32 would be what? It would be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2. And let us now use the standard notation, because you understand what I am going to write here. It would be M32. Capital M represents the minor of the element at 3, at position 3, 2, right? So what is this now? This is minus 1 raised to 5 is minus of M32 we have already figured out. So let us write this as 2A into B plus C minus B plus C the whole square. Right? So that is the cofactor. And if you see, option 1 matches it exactly. There is a minus outside and everything else is exactly the same. Right? So option 1 is the cofactor of A32 in the given matrix. Got it? Okay. Let us proceed then. If A is this given matrix and AI, Bi, Ci are the cofactors of AI, Bi and Ci, then A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3 is equal to 0, where the B's are capital B's, which means cofactors of B1, B2, B3, right? So, let us first find out capital B1, B2 and B3, right? So, in A, right, capital B1, which is cofactor of B1. Now cofactor of B1, you see B1 is here, as I told you, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So, because there is already some calculation, let us directly write this minus 1. What is this minus 1? Minus 1 raised to, it's I plus j, it's I would be second row, first column. So 2 plus 1, right? Into minor of B1. What is minor of B1? Minor of B1 is A2, A3, C2, C3, right? Then B2 would be minus 1. Again, B2 is cofactor of the element B2. So minus 1 raised to 2 by 2, right? Its position is second row, second column. So 2 plus 2 into its minor, which is A1, A3, C1, C3. Right? And B3 would be minus 1 raised to, for B3, it is second row, third column. So 2 plus 3 mod of A1, A2, C1, C2. A1, A2, C1, C2, right? So we have B1, B2, B3. Let us figure out the given expression, which means A1 capital B1 plus A2 capital B2 plus A3 capital B3 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is minus 1 itself. So minus of, this is A2 C3 minus C2 A3. So A2 C3 minus A3 C2, then minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, so that is plus 1, right? Plus 1 into A1 C3 minus A3 C1. So plus, okay, I forgot to write A1, so let me write A1 here, alright? It is easier for us to write that way. So plus A1 C3 minus A3 C1, A1 C3 minus A3 C1 into A2, right? And then minus again, because for B3 minus 1 raised to 5. So minus A1 C2 minus A2 C1, right? So A1 C2 minus A2 C1 into A3. Alright. Now we just need to simplify this. Let us see what happens. Something interesting happens. So that is equal to, let us go back, minus of A1, A2, C3 minus A1, A2, C3, then minus into minus plus A1, A3, C2, right? So plus A1, A3, C2, okay? Then here A2, A1, C3, right? So A1, A2, C3. A1, A2, C3, then minus A2, A3, C1. A2, A3, C1. Alright. What about this? Minus A3, A1, C2. Right. So let us write it as minus A1, A3, C2, and then A3, A2, C1. And minus into minus is plus. So plus A2, A3, C1. Got it? Let us see now what this simplifies to. We have minus A1, A2, C3 and there is a plus A1, A2, C3. They will cancel. These two terms are cancelling. Then there is A1, A3, C2 with a plus and A1, A3, C2 with a minus. So A1, A3, C2 and A1, A3, C2 cancel off. Then minus A2, A3, C1 and plus A2, A3, C1, they will also cancel off. What are you left with? Nothing. So therefore, this is equal to 0. Okay, so here let us write a note that elements of one row or column, hold on, I suppose there is a better way to write it. No problem. Column multiplied and added with cofactors of different row or column is always 0. I suggest you try this. You try this for other matrices, other rows and columns. So let's say you take B1, B2, B3, then you take cofactors of C1, C2, C3, multiply and add, you will get 0 again. Okay? Alright. Let us proceed then. In the matrix, this given matrix, list out the minors and cofactors of all the elements. Okay? So we need to list out the minors and cofactors of all the elements. Let's do that. For element 1, right? So let us start with A11 is 1, minor of 1 would be this determinant. You leave the first column, first row, so minus 1, 2, 5, 6, right? Which is how much? Minus 1 into 6, minus 2 into 5, which is minus 6, minus 10, minus 16, right? Now if minor of this element is minus 16, then cofactor of A11 would be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, M11, right? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is plus 1. So plus 1 into M11, so plus of minus 16, which is minus 16 only. Correct? Alright. Then A12 is 0. So minor of 0 would be leave the first row, second column. So 3, 2, 4, 6. Right? This determinant. So it would be 3 into 6 minus 2 into 4, which is 18 minus 8. So 10. Right? Implies cofactor of A12 is cofactor of A12 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12, right? And minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 itself. So minus of whatever this value is, so minus of 10 equal to minus 10. Okay, minus 10. So we have minus and cofactors of A11, A12. Let us continue. All right. So A13 is minus 2, right? Which means M13. You understand what is M13? Minor of this element would be, leave the first row, third column. So 3 minus 1, 4, 5, right? Which is 3 into 5 minus of 4 into minus 1, which is 15 plus 4, 19, and cofactor of this element is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 M13, which is, you see, minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1, so plus 19 itself. Correct? Alright, A14, sorry, not A14, we don't have an element that is A14 here, but we do have A21. So A21 is 3. Therefore, M21 would be this determinant. Leave second row, first column. So 0 minus 2, 5, 6. 0 minus 2, 5, 6. Which is how much? 0 into 6 minus 5 into minus 2. So this would be 0 and then plus 10, right? So it is plus 10. And cofactor would be, cofactor of this element would be minus 1 raised to, this is 2, 1, right? So 2 plus 1, M21, right? So minus 1 cube is a minus of M21, and M21 we figured out is 10. So this is minus 10. Right? Okay. Then this is A21. Let us go to A22. Is the element minus 1. So therefore M22 would be this determinant. What is that? 1 minus 2, 4, 6, right? Which is 1 into 6 minus 4 into minus 2, right? So 6 plus 8 is 14. Right? Let us write it here itself. This is 14, which means cofactor would be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 times M22, right? So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is plus 1 into M22. Therefore, this is just 14 itself, plus 14, right? Okay. Then A23. A23, second row, third column is 2. Therefore, M23 is the determinant. Leave the second row, third column. So 1045. Right? So that is equal to 1 into 5 minus 4 into 0. Right? So 1 into 5 minus 4 into 0, which is 5 itself, right? And the cofactor of this element, we are dealing with 2, 3 here, right? So is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 M23, right? And minus 1 is 2 plus 3 is minus of M23. Actually minus 1 is 2 plus 3 is minus 1. We'll put a minus outside. M23 is 5. Therefore, this is minus 5, right? Okay, we are done with the second row. Then A31 is 4. Therefore, M31 is the determinant. Leave the third row first column. So 0 minus 2 minus 1 2, which is equal to 0 into 2 minus minus 1 into minus 2, right? This is just 0, this is minus of plus 2. So this is minus 2, right? We have the minor is minus 2. Cofactor would be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. M31, which is minus 1 raised to 4 is plus, right? No sign change of minus 2. So minus 2 itself. Got it? Then A32, third row, second column is the element 5, which means M32 would be the determinant. Leave the third row, second column. So 1 minus 2, 3, 2. 1 minus 2, 3, 2, right? Which is 1 into 2 minus 3 into minus 2. How much is that? 2 plus 6, 8. So we know A32 is 8. Sorry, M32 is 8. Therefore, cofactor is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 M32, which is minus of 8, which is minus 8. Correct? So that is the cofactor for A32. Then A33. A33 is the element 6. Therefore, M33 is the determinant. Leave that row and that column. So 1, 0, 3 minus 1, right? Which is 1 into minus 1 minus 3 into 0, which is minus 1 minus 0. You can ignore 0. So minus 1, and cofactor would be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 M33, which is minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1. So plus of minus 1, which is minus 1. Got it? So those are all the minors and cofactors that we were looking for. Okay? Got it? Alright then, let us proceed. Find the minor of the element 6 in this determinant. Okay? So here 6 is the element in second row, third column. So A23, right? So which means minor of 2, 3 would be, leave second row, third column. So 1, 2, 7, 8, this determinant, which is 1 into 8 minus 7 into 2. So 8 minus 14, right? 8 minus 14 is minus 6. And they have only asked for minor and not cofactor. So this is what you are looking for, right? Okay. Find minors and cofactors of all the elements of this determinant, alright? Okay. Let us directly start with A11 is 1. Therefore, M11, which is minor of this element, is, leave that row, that column. What are you left with? 3. That's all. That is all that you are left with. Right? So this is 3 only, right? Which means cofactor is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11, which is, this is plus 1, so plus 3. Correct? For a 2 by 2 matrix, this is actually fairly straightforward. Okay. A21 is the element -2. Therefore, M21 is, leave that row, that column. So, you're just left with 4. Right? Correct? Right now we are writing in full detail, but later you won't have to write so much. So, M21 is 4, which means its cofactor equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 1, which is, sorry, -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. So that is minus of 4, correct? Okay. A12. Alright, I wrote this as A21, that would be incorrect. -2 is here, right, which is first row, second column. So this is in fact A12. Okay, please correct this. This is A12. Now we are going to get to A21. So A21 is the element 4, which means M21 would be, leave that row, that column, -2, right? Alright, let us just quickly write that again. I seem to have erased everything, not a problem. A11 is 1, therefore M11 is this determinant so because now you know that we have to leave that row, that column, just look for the opposite element, right? So for 1 it's going to be 3, right? Which means cofactor would be -1 raised to 1 plus 1 times M11, which is 3 only, right? Then A12 would be the element -2, which means M12 is the element opposite -2, which is 4, right? Therefore, cofactor is -1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12, which is -4, correct? Then A21 is the element 4, which means M21 is the element opposite 4, which is -2, and cofactor equal to -1 raised to 2 plus 1 times M21, which is minus of -2, which is +2, correct? +2 is its cofactor. Then A22 is the element 3, which means M22 is the element opposite 3, which is 1, right? And cofactor would be -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22, which comes out to so -1 raised to 2 plus 2 is +1, right? So plus M22, which is +1, correct? That is the minor and cofactors of all the elements, right? Okay. Find the minors and cofactors of elements A11, A21 in this determinant. Okay. So, minor of A11 would be, leave first row, first column. So, A22, wait, there's not much space. Minor of A11 would be A22, A23, A32 and A33, right? Which is A32 into A33 minus A32 into A23, right? And then we want the cofactor also, right? So therefore, cofactor of A11 would be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11, right? But minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is plus 1. So this is M11 only, right? And M11 we have already calculated. So this is A22 A33 minus A32 A23. Okay? So minor and cofactor of A11. Now, for element A21, so we will say minor of A21 is this determinant A21. So leave that row, that column. A12, A13, A32 and A33, right? So A32 and A33. How much would that be? A12 into A33 minus A32 into A13. Correct? So, that is the minor. What about the cofactor? And cofactor of A21 would be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, right? Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is minus 1 cube, so minus 1. So minus of M21, right? Which is minus of A12 A33 minus A32 A13. Okay, so minus of A12 A33 minus A32 A13, right? Take the minus inside, this becomes positive. So A32 A13 minus A12 A33. Okay, that is the cofactor of element A21. Alright. Okay, let us proceed then. Find the minors and cofactors of the elements of this determinant, the given determinant, and verify that A11 capital A31 plus A12 capital A32 plus A13 capital A33 equal to 0. Okay, so they are asking us to verify the property that we wrote in one of the earlier questions. Alright. So let us just say here, we have to actually find the minors and cofactors of all the elements, right? So A11 is 2, therefore M11 is the determinant. First or first column, leave it. So 0, 4, 5 minus 7, right? So that is 0 into minus 7 minus 5 into 4. So 0 minus 20, right? And cofactor is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into minus 20, which is, see, this is plus 1, so this is minus 20 itself, right? Then A12 is minus 3, therefore, see here instead of M they are using capital A, so let us use that notation. Let us use capital A here, right? Okay. Then A12 is minus 3, then capital A12 would be, hold on, actually capital A here is used as for cofactor, which is not clearly mentioned in the question. No problem. we will stick to the m notation here, and for cofactor we will use capital A. Okay, so we will stick to m notation. So this also becomes m12. Alright, so A12 equal to minus 3, M12 would be, leave that row, that column, so 6, 4, 1, minus 7, which is, can we directly do that now? Minus 42, minus 4, so that is minus 46, right? And cofactor, capital A12 would be minus of minus 46 equal to plus 46. You see, now I am skipping a few steps because you are so familiar with the formula already. Why did I take minus? Because 1 plus 2 is an odd number, right? So minus of minus 46. Similarly here, let us write, which cofactor is this? It is capital A11. Alright, okay, A12 we have. Then, just a moment. Alright, I was just checking for space. So, cofactor we have figured out for A12. Then A13 is the element 5, which means capital M13 is the determinant, leave that row, that column. So 6015, 6015, right? Which is, can we say this is 30 minus 0, because now you are comfortable. So 6 into 5 is 30 minus 1 into 0 is 0, which is 30, and cofactor, which is capital A13, would be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, so which is plus of this minus 30, right? Like I said, from now on practice this notation of plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Okay, so for example, for A13 we have directly used plus. Similarly for A11 we have also used, this will be plus, this part, right? Whereas here we had to change the sign, something like that. Okay, so for our clarity, let us draw these dashes. A14, not A14, we are looking for the element A21. A21, right, would be the element 6, which means M21 is the determinant, leave that row, that column. So minus 3, 5, 5 and minus 7, right? What does that come to? Minus 3 into minus 7 is 21, minus 5 into 5 is 25, right? So this is 21 minus 25, which is minus 4, right? And cofactor, which is capital A21, would be how much? In this position, plus minus plus minus, right? So minus of minus 4, which is plus 4. Alright, so we have capital A21 also. Then A22 is the element 0, which means M22 is the determinant, leave this row, this column. So 2, 5, 1, minus 7, right? So minus 14 minus 5, right? Minus 14 minus 5 is minus 19, correct? And cofactor, which is capital A22, would be, at this place we have, like I said, plus minus plus minus plus, right? So plus of minus 19, which is minus 19 itself, right? Okay, then A23 is the element, A23 is the element 4, right? Which means M23 is the determinant, leave that row, that column. So 2 minus 3, 1, 5, 2 minus 3, 1, 5, right? So that is 10 minus minus 3, right? 10 minus minus 3. How? By multiplying the diagonal terms, which is diagonally opposite terms. So 10 plus 3, 13, right? And cofactor, so and cofactor. What is the cofactor? Capital A23 would be how much? So we took a plus here, which means this should be minus of 13, right? Minus 13. Then A31, right? A31, third row first column, so is the element 1, which means M31 is the determinant, leave the row, the column. So minus 3, 5, 0, 4, right? So that is minus 12 minus 0, which is minus 12 itself, right? And cofactor capital A, 3, 1. You see, we used minus here, so we need plus here. Plus of minus 12, which is minus 12 itself, right? And A32 is the element 5, which means capital M32 would be mod of, leave this row, this column, so 2, 5, 6, 4. 2, 5, 6, 4. Alright. So that is equal to, cross multiply 8 minus 30. 8 minus 30. So that is minus 22. Right. Now if that is M32, what is capital A32? Right, which means cofactor, which is capital A32, would be, like I said, 3, 2. Here we use plus, so this should be minus of M32, right, which is, change the sign, this is minus 22, so this becomes plus 22, alright, and A33 is the element minus 7, therefore M33 is the determinant, leave that row, that column, 2 minus 3, 6, 0, minus 3, 6, 0, so that would be 0 minus minus 18. Be careful here, a lot of students end up making mistake because they see a minus here and they forget to write the minus here, okay. So this is 18 and cofactor capital A33 would be, since we use minus here, we have to use plus here, plus of 18. Correct? So now we have figured out the minus and cofactors of all the elements. So from this, we have A11, which was 2, A12, which is minus 3, A13, which is 5, right? And capital A31. What is capital A31? Capital A31 is minus 12. Capital A32 is, okay, on the next page. So capital A31 is minus 12. Capital A32 is plus 22. Capital A33 is plus 18, right? Which means the expression that is being asked, right? So we have small a11 capital A31 plus small a12 capital A32 plus small a13 capital A33 is equal to, substitute all the values, 2 into A31 is minus 12. Then A12 is minus 3 into A32. A32 is 22 plus A13 is 5 into 833 is 18, right? So that is 2 into minus 12 is minus 24, then minus 3 into 22 is minus 66, plus 5 into 18 is 90. You see, this sum is minus 90 plus 90, this is 0, right? Which is exactly what they asked us to verify, right? Hence, verified. Correct? This should always happen, right? It's a property of the way this entire calculation is devised. Okay? Alright then, let us proceed. Write the minors and cofactors of elements of the following determinants. Alright, so in this determinant, A11 is 2, which means M11 is the element opposite to this, right? So 3 and cofactor capital A11 is equal to, for this we use plus, right? Plus of 3, which is plus 3 only, right? Then A12 is minus 4, which means now can I again skip a few steps. A12 is minus 4, therefore M12 we know is going to be the element opposite to this, which is 0, and cofactor A12 is going to be, at this position we use minus, right? So minus of 0, which is anyway 0, correct? Then A21 is the element 0, which means M21 is the element opposite 0, which is minus 4, and capital A21, which is the cofactor, would be, at this position also we use minus, so minus of minus 4, which is plus 4, right? And A22 is the element 3, therefore M22 is the element opposite to 3, which is 2, and capital A22, which is the cofactor at 22, cofactor of the element at 22, capital A22 would be, at this position we use plus. Why? Because plus minus minus plus. So at this position we use plus, plus M22, right, which is 2 only, right? So I hope now you are comfortable with quickly calculating the minors and cofactors, right? Okay, minors and cofactors of this determinant now, alright? Can we do this quickly now? So A11 is the element A, which means M11 is the element opposite to it, so which is D, and okay, fine, which means A11, which is cofactor, would be plus D, correct? Because plus minus minus plus, alright. So then A12 is the element C, therefore M12 is the element opposite to C, which is B, and cofactor A12 is plus minus minus plus, right? So minus B, got it? Then A21 is the element B, therefore M21 element opposite to B is C, and its cofactor would be minus of M21, which is minus C, right? A22 is the element D, therefore M22 would be opposite to D is A, and capital A22, right? So capital A is cofactor of this element, would be plus minus minus plus, so at this place we have plus A. Got it? By now, I hope you are comfortable. Yeah? Okay. Let us proceed then. Write the minors and cofactors of the elements in this determinant. Alright? Can we do this quickly now? A11 is 1. Therefore, M11 is this determinant. Leave this. So 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Which is clearly 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, right? And its cofactor A11 would be, at this position we have plus, right? Plus of M11, which is plus 1, right? Then A12 is 0, which means M12 is, leave these, so 0, 0, 0, 1, right? Which is 0 minus 0, which is 0, which means cofactor A12 will be anyway 0 whether it is plus or minus, right? Alright. We have A12 now. So A13 is the element 0, which means M13 would be, leave that row, that column, so 0, 1, 0, 0, which as you expand once again 0 minus 0 is 0, which means cofactor capital A 13 is also 0, correct? Whether it is plus or minus, it will be 0. Then A21, can you see a pattern emerging? When A11 was 1, the cofactor was 1. When A12 was 0, the cofactor is 0. Once again 0 and 0. Maybe it's a pattern. Let's see. Anyway, I hope you realize this is the determinant of the entity matrix, right? Something special must be happening. So A21 would be, the element is 0 and M21 is the determinant 0, 0, 0, 1, right? Which is 0 minus 0, which is 0 itself, right? So the cofactor must also be 0, right? Okay. We are done with A21. So A22 is the element 1, which means M22 would be determinant. See, leave this row, this column. So 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Which is 1 itself, which means the cofactor would be, so at this place we have, see, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So at this place also plus. In fact, all the diagonal elements will always be plus, right? Because 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and so on. So plus M22, which is 1 only. Then A23, right? A23 would be the element 0, which means M23 is the determinant. So 2, 3, right? So then 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Which is, just a moment, A second row, third column is 0. So I have written this incorrectly. Why? Because I ended up using second row again. I should not use second row again, right? Let us change this. So M23, leave the second row and second column. So I should get 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we get 0 minus 0, which is 0 itself, right? Which means capital A23 will also be 0. Right? See, because of the pattern, it is easy for us to correct our mistakes also. Okay, and A31 is the element 0, which means M31 is the determinant. See, 31. So leave this row, this column. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, right? Which is clearly 0 minus 0 again, which means capital A31 is again 0, right? So small a32. 3 to third row, second column, so it's again 0, which means M32 is third row, second column. Leave those, so 1, 0, 0, 0, which is 0 minus 0, again 0, which means capital A32 is also 0. correct? There is a very clear pattern here. Finally, we are left with A33, which is the element 1, which means M33 is, leave that row, that column, so 1 0 0 1, right, which is 1 minus 0, right, which is 1, M33 is 1, and capital A33, which is the cofactor of that element, would be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, but we know that has to be plus 1 only. So plus of M33, which is 1 only, correct? So can you see that the cofactors as well as minors for all the elements at the diagonal were 1 only, and everywhere else we got both cofactors and minors as 0, right? Which is why this is such a useful, such a interesting matrix, okay? All right. Write the minors and cofactors of elements of this determinant, okay? A11 is 1, which means M11 is determinant 5 minus 1, 1, 2, right? That is 10 plus 1, which is 11, which means a capital A11 cofactor would be plus 11, right? Okay. Plus here, then plus minus plus, we are going to just follow that pattern. A12 is 0, which means M12 would be, leave that or that column, so 3 minus 1, 0, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 2, right, which is 6 minus 0, so 6, and capital A12 would be minus here, right, so minus of M12, which is minus 6, okay. Then small a 13 would be 4, which means capital M 13 would be, leave that row, that column, so 3501, 3501, right? This is 3 minus 0, which is 3 only, and capital A13 would be plus minus plus, therefore plus 3, correct? Then A21 is the element 3, which means M21 is, leave that row, that column, so 0412, 0412, right? How much is that? That is 0 minus 4, which is minus 4, which means capital A21 would be, at this position we have minus. One way to think about it, plus minus, how to remember it, is that on the corners and in the center you will have plus. On the center of edges you will have minus. That's another nice way to remember, okay. So at this is center of an edge, therefore we have minus of minus 4, which is plus 4, yeah, okay. Then A22 is the element 5, which means capital M22 is a determinant 1402, which is 2 minus 0, so 2, and capital A22, right? Center of the determinant will be plus M22, which is plus 2, right? Then A23 is the element minus 1. Therefore, M23 would be the determinant, leave second row, third column, so 1001, 1001, right, which is equal to 1 minus 0, so 1, and capital A23, the cofactor would be 2, 3, center of an edge, therefore minus M23, which is minus 1, correct. A31 would be the element 0, which means M31 is mod of 0, 4, 5 and minus 1, which is minus 1, sorry, 0 minus 20, right? So minus 20. And the cofactor capital A31 would be, see, this is a corner, therefore plus of minus 20, which is minus 20 itself. Yeah? Then A32 would be the element 1, right? A32 is the element 1. Therefore, capital M32 is, leave that row, that column. So 1, 4, 3 minus 1. 1, 4, 3 minus 1, which is minus 1 minus 12, so minus 13. And if this is minus 13, then capital A32 would be, see, center of an edge. So minus of minus 13, which is plus 13. Correct? Then A33 is the element 2. Therefore, its minor would be mod of, leave that row, that column. So 1035, which is 5 minus 0, correct? Which is 5 only. And A33 would be, it's a corner, therefore plus of M33, which is plus 5. Got it? Yeah? Alright. Alright, so looks like we have reached the end of this session. Thank you.